Alright, this is Ichi, and now let's talk about assignment 4 for this course. So, in assignment 4, we are required to write a program that kind of output the frequency for each letter that appears in the input. For example, here there's a sentence which is this is a string with upper and lowercase letters. This is a string. So what we are required to do is we will require to count the frequency that each letter appear in this input. For example, A appear twice, C appear once, D appear once, etc. So we are required to kind of compute the frequency for each letter, and we want to output or print the letter with their frequency in the alphanumerical order. So this is the task. So let's dive into my solution here and my design. So basically, first we want to find what is the probably this one is not needed. So in this program, first of all, we want to get the input. So basically having the input here, and then I have a helper function called counting letters that actually do the count and do the print. So let's dive into the count letters here. So first of all, we have I'm going to use a dictionary to count the frequency for each letters, because using the dictionary we have the O of 1 time to find the element in the dictionary and modify that. So the first step that I do here is to trying to lower all the cases for letters in the input, because we don't want to count differently between a lower letter A and upper letter A. So I just lower the input string here, and the next step is to count the number of times that each letter appear in the string, and we are only counting the letters, meaning so for all letters or characters in the string here, if the character is larger or equal to the value of small lowercase a and is lower than or equal to the lower letter z, that means that if the character is indeed English letter, then what I do here is inserting this character's count to be the original count plus 1. And if the character does not appear in the dictionary before, then the default value is 0. And that's how we increase the count for each letter and maintain this dictionary here. And after we go through all the characters in the lower string, we then sort all the letters from the keys, because the keys for the dictionary is what we have for letters in the input. And then for all letters in sorted letters, because we want the final output to be print in the sorted order. So we iterate all the letters from the sorted letter string, list, and we just print what is the letter itself together what is the count for the letter from our dictionary. So let's do a quick example here. Some assignments. Okay, so now let's enter a word or phrase, so we can directly use the example here as a demonstration and enter. Here we go. We have the output here. So the letter count would be, our output here should exactly match what is documented in the requirement file here. So let's compare. A have 2, C has 1, D has 1, E has 5, G has 1, H has 2, I has 4, L has 2, N has 2, O has 1, P has 2, R has 4, S has 5, T has 5, U has 1, and W has 2. So this one exactly matches what we have here. That's good. And we can do some other examples. So let's say if we want A, B, C. Let's say we have some like spaces here. A, B, C again. Yeah, it told me that, okay, we have 2 A's, 2 B's, and 2 C's here. So yeah, so that will conclude this video. Thank you.